Hello, my name is Tanner, and in today's video, I'm taking you along on the adventure of buying a 2005 WRX. This might just be me, but there's something satisfying about loading a new project onto the trailer. Also, I have to give a shout out to my dad for helping me tow it home with our family's trusty steed, a 2000 Land Cruiser. This thing has been a workhorse for us in the past, and it's always fun to see it kicking and cruising to help out with projects. At risk of sounding like I'm still in high school, this WRX is basically my dream car. I have owned 3 other Subarus in the past, including 2 Imprezas and 1 Forester, but none of them were turboed or nearly as cool as this WRX. So yeah, after searching for years for a WRX, I'm glad I waited for this one because it is shaping up to be the perfect project for me. It has 125,000 miles on the chassis, STI swapped parts including the sweet blue bucket seats and trunk wing, and then a few other aftermarket bolt-ons for the JDM EJ205 boxer engine. Supposedly, the only thing wrong with the car is that it has a problem with the throwout bearing, but for the price, I was a bit skeptical that the motor was also toast. I figured either way it would be a great project for me, even if I do have to rebuild the motor. So when I was unloading the car, I didn't know how good the brakes were, so I made sure to have the straps attached to the trailer and the car so that they would tighten up in the event that I lost my brakes. It turned out that the e-brake was functioning great, and I was able to make a smooth transition from the trailer to the ground. Classic Midwest winter weather brought snow, so first order of business for the day was to shovel out a runway for the Subi. My next big hurdle was figuring out how to push the car into the garage and steer it at the same time under my own power. I first tried pushing on the bumper a few times to no success, but then I thought to use a socket on the axle nut to help me rotate the wheel, and that worked great. I had to turn the wheel a few times to get the backup angle right, but finally I was able to sneak it into the garage. Thank you guys for checking out the first video of the 2005 Subaru WRX rebuild series that I'm doing, and I will see you in the next one. Make sure to check them out.